Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for a fast and secure internet connection. With online privacy becoming more important than ever, many VPN apps provide built-in servers, but Dark Tunnel VPN gives you the freedom to customize your setup for maximum security and speed. We'll begin by creating the V2Ray VMess server. Open any web browser on your device and type UDP Custom in the search bar. From the search results, select the official UDP Custom website. This is the platform where you can generate your V2Ray server. Once you're on the home page, look for the menu icon in the top corner, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it to open the options, and then proceed to the account creation page. On the account creation page, type in your desired username, complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot, and click the Create Now button. Within a few moments, your V2Ray VMess server will be generated, and all the necessary server details will be displayed on your screen. Make sure to copy these details carefully, as we'll need them for the next step. Now, let's set up V2Ray on Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app and go to the home screen. In the top right corner, tap the 3-dot menu icon to open additional options. Select Config File, then tap on the Import button. Choose Clipboard to paste the server details you copied earlier. Once the data is successfully imported, go back to the home screen and tap the Connect button. In just a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect successfully, providing you with a secure and high-speed browsing experience. That's it. You've now learned how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and configure it on Dark Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.